Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play the Clash Royale intro on piano. First, locate middle C on your keyboard. This is typically the C key closest to the center. Place your right hand's thumb or finger number 1 directly on middle C. For your left hand, position your pinky finger or finger number 5 on the C key 1 octave below middle C. Keep your hands relaxed and your fingers gently curved, ready to play. This initial setup provides a solid foundation. Now let's focus on your right hand, which carries the memorable melody of the intro. We will start with the first 3 critical notes. Begin with your thumb on middle C, then extend your pinky finger to the G above it. Next, use your middle finger to play the E key, which is between C and G. Practice these 3 notes slowly and deliberately, ensuring each note sounds clear. Mastering this small sequence is your first major step. While your right hand plays the melody, your left hand creates the supporting harmony. With your pinky finger on the low C, play that note firmly. Then, gently shift your entire left hand to position your pinky on the low G key, pressing it down. These 2 bass notes, C and G, form the simple harmonic backbone for the initial part of the intro. Practice switching between these 2 notes smoothly before combining hands. For the best experience in Minecraft Java Edition, a special wrapper application is often necessary to emulate an Xbox controller. DS4 Windows is a popular choice, providing excellent customization options and consistent recognition across many PC games. You should download and install this free software from its official website. Alternatively, Steam's Big Picture mode offers native support. Simply add Minecraft as a non-Steam game and configure your controller there. Installing and configuring one of these programs ensures your controller translates commands perfectly into Minecraft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.